The inevitable, the forces that will shape our future. Series 2, Navigating the Next 4 Forces. Presented by Beyond Norm Knowledge Workshop. Hi everyone, and welcome back to our video series on The Inevitable by Kevin Kelly, proudly brought to you by Beyond Norm Workshop Training, where we help you grow your English skills and future thinking at the same time. I'm Stella, and in this video, we'll explore forces 5 to 8, accessing, sharing, filtering, and remixing. 4 powerful trends that are already transforming the way we live, work, and create in the digital age. Force 5, accessing. Accessing means shifting from owning things to simply using them when we need them. Think Spotify instead of CDs, or Uber instead of owning a car. We now live in the age of streaming, subscriptions, and shared use. Opportunity. Access is flexible, affordable, and convenient. You only pay for what you use. Perfect for today's fast-changing world. Warning. But if you don't own something, you also don't control it. A platform could remove your favorite book or cancel your service anytime. You're trusting a system that you don't fully control. Suggestions. Sometimes it's better to just access something like software or entertainment, especially when it changes quickly. But if it's something long-term or essential, owning it may be safer. Be smart about what you choose to rent versus own. Discussion question. What's something you've stopped owning and now just access? Has it made your life easier or riskier? Force 6, sharing. Sharing powers open source software, social media, online collaboration, and much of the modern internet. We're not just consumers anymore. We're co-creators. Opportunity. When people share ideas, they can solve problems faster than working alone. Sharing speeds up innovation and helps build better products and services. Warning. Oversharing can lead to privacy issues, data misuse, and even platforms built on free labor. Your ideas or content might be used without your permission or payment. Suggestions. Be intentional. Decide what you want to share and where. Protect your valuable contributions. And don't be afraid to set boundaries online. Discussion question. Have you benefited from something others shared online? How do you decide what to share yourself? Force 7, filtering. There's more information than ever, so filters help us focus. Search engines, news feeds, and algorithms decide what we see first. Opportunity. Filters save us time and personalize our experiences. They help us find what's relevant without digging through endless noise. Warning, but they can also trap us in echo chambers, where we only see things we already agree with. That makes it harder to think critically or understand other perspectives. Suggestions. Actively seek out different viewpoints. Use a mix of sources, not just what algorithms feed you. Step outside your comfort zone to keep your thinking sharp. Discussion question. Have you noticed your online world becoming one-sided? What do you do to hear other perspectives? Force 8, remixing. Digital content can be copied, edited, and recombined in endless ways. Art, memes, videos, everything is a remix today. Opportunity. Remixing fuels creativity. You can take what exists and build something new without starting from zero. Warning. But where's the line between inspiration and stealing? Copyright laws are still catching up, and not everyone respects creative ownership. Suggestions. Remix with care. Always credit your sources and follow fair use rules. Celebrate creative reuse, but stay ethical. Discussion question. Do you think remixing encourages creativity or makes people lazy? Why? Wrapping up. These 4 forces, accessing, sharing, filtering, and remixing, are reshaping our digital world every day. They offer us more freedom, creativity, and connection, but only if we use them wisely. So, which of these forces shows up most in your life? And more importantly, ask yourself, how can I ride these waves instead of being overwhelmed by them? And remember, at Beyond Norm, we don't just teach English. we prepare you to think critically, speak confidently, and lead in the future. Join our workshops to discuss real-world topics like this in English, with guidance and feedback every step of the way. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next episode of the Inevitable series.